F6 will adhere to its purpose of profession, concentration, and attention, committed to providing high-quality adhesive products and services. Ningbo Yongliu Import and Export Company Limited is a professional adhesive tapes trading company. F6 is our associated factory brand. Founded in 2011, located in Ningbo City, China. With more than 11 years developments, we have achieved rapid developments and become a well-known special adhesive tape leading supplier in the world. We can make and supply double-sided tape, PE foam tapes, PET tapes, MOPP tapes, transfer tapes, filament tapes, and so on. Our associated factory have a strong R&D strength and build a physics laboratory, which can comparable with the international leading level. At present, we have over 4,800 square meters production workshop, 6 to 8 reaction kettles, 2 coating production lines, and 6 high-speed cutting machines. In addition, we have obtained odor report, total carbon report, ROHS, and SVHC test report. F6 has been developing continuously and making arduous efforts by virtue of its advanced operation philosophy and modern management tools. Because of our advanced administration and keep focus on R&D, F6 Tapes is recognized on the world. Profession, concentration, and attention is core value. To exceed customer expectations, improve product quality, and together with our partners, to create a better future is our goal.